Example of English reading test. Descriptive text about cat. Multiple choices. There is an English text and there are 5 questions to answer. You have 20 seconds for each question to answer, or you can pause or skip the video. In the end, please write your score in the comment section. Exercise number 1. Text. I will read the text for you once. My Orin. I have a cat. Its name is Orin. Orin has orange fur. Its fur is so smooth. It has 4 legs with cute paws and tiny claws. It has 2 orange rounded eyes and 2 little ears. It has many whiskers that make it look cute. Its nose and mouth are pink. It also has a long fluffy tail. Orin is so cute and funny. It likes climbing trees, runs, and sometimes lies down on the grass. Orin likes fish and meat, but sometimes it eats grass while playing in the yard. Orin always accompanies me and makes my day. Question number 1. What is the color of the cat? A. Black. B. White. C. Brown. D. Orange. 20 seconds from now. Okay, time is up. Have you decided the answer? Okay, let's check it together. Color as the keyword 1, and the keyword 2 is the cat. What is the color of the cat? So you have to find the answer in the text. Keyword Orin has orange fur. So the answer is Orin has orange fur. Black, no. White, no. Brown, no. And D, yes. Orange. Orin has orange fur. Exercise 2. This is the same text. The question is, what parts of Orin that have pink color? A. Nose and mouth. B. Eyes. C. Paws. D. Whiskers. 20 seconds from now. Time is up. Keyword number 1. What parts? Parts of Orin. Keyword 2. That have pink color. So you have to find the words in the sentence. Pink are the keyword, and then its nose and mouth is the answer. So the answer is A. Nose and mouth. Exercise 3. The same text. The question is, what does Orin like to do? A. Hiding. B. Climbing trees and runs. C. Jumping. D. Sleeping. 20 seconds from now. Time is up. The first we have to find the keyword like to do. What does Oren like to do? And we have to find the keyword of the text. It likes climbing trees, runs, and sometimes lies down on the grass. So the answer is B. Climbing trees and runs. It likes climbing trees, runs, and sometimes lies down on the grass. Exercise number 4. The same text. The question is, does Oren like eating meat? A. Sometimes. B. Always. C. Yes, it does. D. No, it doesn't. 20 seconds from now. Okay, time is up. Have you decided the answer? Okay, let's check it together. Keyword 1. Like eating meat. And keyword in the text is Orange likes fish and milk. So as the keyword 2, but sometimes it eats grass while playing in the yard. So there is no word about meat. So, no, it doesn't. Oren doesn't like meat. Exercise number 5. The same text, and the question is, what is the main idea of the second paragraph? A. Oren's appearance. B. Orange's origin. C. Orange's behavior. D. Orange's favorite food. 20 seconds from now. Time is up. Let's check it together. Keyword 1. The main idea of the second paragraph. So you have to find the second paragraph of the text. The second paragraph is, Oren is so cute and funny. It likes climbing trees, runs, and sometimes lies down on the grass. This is the keyword 1. As the keyword 2, it describes about the behavior. The behavior of Oren. It likes climbing trees, runs, and sometimes lies down on the grass. So the answer is Oren's behavior. The first paragraph is about the Oren's appearance and origin, and the third paragraph is about the Oren's favorite food. Please write your score in the comment section. Thank you and see you in the next video.